Okay, there are two new words. These are the ones. One is called union. The other one is what we call intersection. Okay, union in this topic in sets and Venn diagram is defined by this big capital U. Okay, likewise, intersection is the opposite. It's the letter N, small letter N over here. But I don't want to see people drawing line here. There's no line over here. Okay, so take note, it's just a U and an N. Okay, what's the meaning of a union? What's the meaning of an intersection? Okay, union means you join together. Very good. Intersection? Cut at one point. Cut at one point. Okay, but in this topic, union means everything that is mentioned, you have every element. So in other words, I'm just going to put it very simple. Everything included. So when you have a union, everything is included. Like what Ashwa just mentioned, intersection talk about intersection at one point. Am I right? But in sets, intersection means common element. Okay, so there's a distinction when we talk about union or U. Everything you see, you include. Everything also one, buffet style. But in intersection, you only choose those that have common elements. Okay? And then that's it already. This is the very last part already. Okay? I'm going to use this as an example. Part A. Alright, you have a universal set given to you. This is your A. This is your B. What they want you to do is shape the region representing A prime union B. Wow, very complicated. Am I right to say that? So, okay, don't do anything yet. Can you look at what I'm going to do now? I'm telling you, whenever a union is the easiest. But your shading, please shade nicer. I'm not asking you to color. Okay, this is not a kindergarten. Everything color. Shade. When I say shade, just draw line. But you need to identify where to draw the line first. Okay, first thing, A prime. Am I right to say everything inside this circle must be A? All agree? So how do we know where is A prime? Everything outside the circle. Agree? So we must shape everything outside the circle if it's just A prime. How about B? Where do we shape? If you want B, where do we shape? Everything inside the circle B. Am I right? So if I'm a terrible student, I just follow. Why? Because the good thing is I follow first. So I'm going to do it once first. So I shape everything outside the circle. After that, I shape everything inside B. I got the answer already. Agree? Because union, I don't need to worry so much. Right? Because I want everything. All agree? So I'm going to shape everything here. Everything outside the circle of A. All agree? That is for A. A prime. Complement of A. But are we done? What must we still do? We must also shape B. Have we shaded B everything inside the circle? No. So what must we do? Extend, right? So just extend the line here. If you need to, that's done already. So you see a small crescent here, that is the only unshaded part. So whenever I see union, it's the best. Just shade everything you have over there. Can? Okay, you can shade inside a textbook if you have a textbook. Now I just want you to take a look at part B and explain your answer after 1 minute. Think through first. Is A union B prime the same as A prime union B? think the answer is very obvious. Jia Kai, what do you think? Yes, you want me to draw on your face? I thought the answer is so obvious, I would just say no. Can you tell me why yes? Huh? Brandon, can you help? Is it a yes or a no? If you cannot, don't know how to explain, what do we do? Draw another one. Can you draw? Can you draw this one for me now? I want you to draw. Okay, this first one that we just drew, as they told us, is A prime union B, correct? Can you draw the other one so we can see? I want you to draw the other one, A union B prime, and then we compare our answer. Yeah, record. I mean, because just I say yes, so I say no, I explain by drawing. If not, in words also possible, but you have to tell me how you present in words. Nothing by drawing. Nothing wrong. Very obvious. If the two drawings are different, then it's an explanation also, right? They never say proof, but they just say explain your answer. Okay, some of you say, Mr. Liu, can we color? You want to color? I will say it's okay, but don't waste time. The shading must what? To explain. Shading, please try to use ruler. Try to. Okay, very quickly, I'll go through. Do we want A? Yes, so we shade everything in A. Am I right?
Yeah.
By shading everything in A, Jia Kai, already different, you know. Do we want B?
No.
Don't want. What do we want?
B prime.
Everything outside B, correct? So those parts already inside B doesn't matter, but we want those outside B as well. So I just continue shading. Finish radio? Have we explained that the answer is no? Have we explained it's no? Okay, the two diagrams are different. So that is for union. How about intersection? Okay, we need to take a look at another one on intersection. Okay, please go to example 17. Sorry, not example 17. Try it 17. Right, this is the one. Same thing, I'm going to show you one first. Okay, this one not so easy. Intersection, please tell yourself you cannot anyhow shade one. you only shade those areas that are common. You shade those areas that are overlapping. Okay, what do I mean? Take a look at 17. You go and do your drawing first. You see where you can shade first before I do mine. So it's better to shade with a pencil in case you make careless mistake. Once you are done with A, you can move on to B, move on to C. Double period until 10 o'clock, correct? This right here, correct? 1 hour. Okay, intersection of A of B. Look here, if you do not know, for beginners, if you are not a visual person, if you really need to do what I do, okay, you can go ahead. I want A prime. Where is A prime? I just draw only. Everything all outside A, correct? Yeah. But then I also want B. So let's say I use a different color for B. Everything inside B. But this is intersect. Intersect means what? Common elements. It also means common region. Out of the region of the one for the red line, as well as the region for the one with green line, are there any common region that I've just shaded? Do you realize is this part, the crescent over here? Yeah. But if you give me this answer, will I accept? No. Why not? Because the thing is, all these, they are not common, you need to erase. So if you really cannot, you can use my method. After that, then you erase. And then you go and color this orbit one. Okay? So basically, tell yourself, if it's intersection, it's the common area you need to shade. Not everything. Everything is for union. With that, I give you 3 minutes to do part B and part C yourself. But this one no need to erase out. This one you can visualize because you need A prime. Instead of tell I don't want A. I want B. Everything outside B, but that's in B, that's obvious. But that one is I mean showing you at the start. If you can visualize, don't need to draw my method. Okay? Likewise, if exam comes out, I can only give you 1 or 2 questions. I'll take a part yellow. A yellow this. Yellow this, yes. So now you need to fill in the blank, right? You must be smart enough to do part C also. And that will be the last example I'm doing for this topic. And you're ready to score your 3 marks for O level, actually. Okay, so can you tell me? Oh, don't tell me. You can't fill in the element on my whiteboard. Yeah. Yeah. The part B. You are supposed to list down the elements inside, right? You list down for me. I draw
draw a new Venn diagram.
No need, just fill in that one. They say using the Venn diagram in A, correct? So you no need to draw a separate one. Okay, no need to draw a separate one. They just say fill in the elements inside the original one. Very good. He went to identify the common element first. Okay, as a teacher, the first thing I will check is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There must be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Confirm must have 7. This is what you all need to check during exam as well. Next, I double check what are the common ones. S, A, T. S, A, T are common. Good. The extra M and R inside A is also inside here. But there is an extra E inside B, is inside here. There is a K, not found in A, not found in B, is inside here. Another 1 mark. Please list out the elements in part 2. After that, do part C. What are the elements inside A prime intersect B itself? Yong Wei? E, can you see it was the shaded part that we did just now? So we just have to list down the element E. Okay. There's a possibility I may deduct mark here. If you only write equal E. Remember, if you want to list down the element, you need to draw the curly bracket. So that's the only other way I will deduct mark. Why? Because the thing is, for such question, you will come out in paper 1. Paper 1 is it now a foolscap paper? Where do you present your answer? There is a space provided, right? And they want you to write the solution. A lot of times students write E. I have to deduct the mark. You need to draw the curly bracket. Okay, in my book, you need to draw the curly bracket. Part C. Given, are they the same? How? Draw, Josiah, this is when you're not smart. Draw takes more time. Given, any other method? Okay, Josiah, you are not wrong. If you can draw this, you shape, I'll still give you the mark. And if I'm not wrong, it will be this crescent and this crescent. Am I right? But is there another way to show that they are not equal, given? They gave you the hint already in B part 2. You cannot say MR is not E. Okay, how about we list out this one? Because just now it's by Venn diagram. Is it possible? Because the thing is they give you elements over here. Am I right? Can we list out the element? Given already told us. Is it very clear cut based on these two they are not equal? So other than drawing, if there are elements inside, you can list out the elements. Okay? And we are done for this chapter already. Question. Now we go to the more difficult one. Difficult doesn't mean you cannot do. Because it's the reverse way. What is meant by the reverse way? Now, they give you the shaded region. They want you to define. Okay? They give you the shaded region. They want you to define. Wow, look, Sing Chin. If I tell you this is the easiest way, this is the one I love. How to express this in set notation? You just tell yourself, very easy one. Don't blink, all look over here, don't do it, all look. Do you want A? Do you want A? Why? Clearly it's outside A, right? So what is the thing you write? A prime. Thank you. Do you want B? Why? Because clearly it's outside B. Also, am I right? B prime. The only decision you need to make now is it going to be intersect or union? Agree? Yeah. Okay? Is it going to be intersect or union? Take a look. If it's intersect, it means common area. If it's union, it means buffet style. Everything also one. Am I right? So now, let's say it's union. Means everything outside A you must shade. Am I right? Did we shade everything outside A? No. Did we shade everything outside A, right? Which part did we not shade? Yeah? The portion inside B. So, do I want to use union? No. No. So clear cut, it must be intersect. Finish. So you just determine like that. You determine whether you want A or you want complement of A. Similarly, you determine whether you want B or you want complement of B. Is this a relay? Are you urgent?
Very urgent.
I give you rubber band. Got 3 something.
Oh, it's not rubber band.
Can? In fact, this is the easiest way. You just tell yourself whether you want, you don't want, it's just complement. You want, you don't want, it's just complement. We're going to do a few practice on this one. Okay, together. Right, turn to page 27. I can tell you the practice all very boring one. Question 11. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to try these 3 diagrams. If you don't have a textbook, you have to look over here. Page 27. This is a giveaway. Textbook can be here. If you don't have textbook, then you do inside the exercise book. Oh, that's it. The whole chapter concluded already. We are ready for a